Hi everyone, welcome to Hope's class. Today we will look at position, velocity, and the acceleration. For a given position function, we usually define it as st, and its velocity will be vt or s prime t, and its acceleration function is at v prime t or s double prime t. When vt is 0, we will say the object is at rest or stationary. When vt is greater than 0 or smaller than 0, the object is moving in positive or negative direction. If the at greater than 0 or at smaller than 0, we will say the velocity of the object is increasing or decreasing. If the vt times at greater than 0, the object is speeding up. If at times vt is smaller than 0, the object is slowing down. Okay, let's look at one example. The position of the particle can be modeled by the function st. It is t cubed minus 12t squared plus 36t minus 32, where the distance s is in meters and time t in second, with 0 smaller than t smaller than 9. Sketch the graph and describe it. So here's the graph. We can see that there are 5 critical points dividing the function into 4 different intervals that are 0 to 2, 2 to 6, 6 to 8, and the 8 to 9. According to the graph, the object is in the negative position before 8 seconds and moving to the positive position after the 8 seconds. Okay, let's continue. For the same question, determine the velocity function, sketch a graph, and describe the graph. According to the power rule we have learned before, we know the Vt, it is 3t squared minus 24t plus 36. The derivative of Vt is shown here. According to the graph, Vt is positive on the interval 0 to 2 and 6 to 9. So the object is moving in the positive direction during these intervals. On 2 to 6, Vt is negative. So the object is moving in the negative direction during these intervals. Okay, let's continue. For the same question, determine the acceleration function, sketch a graph, and describe your graph. According to the power rule we have learned before, we know the at, it is 6t minus 24. Based on the graph, we can see that on the interval 0 to 4, the object is deaccelerating, and from 4 to 9, it's accelerating. Thank you. For more information, please search Toronto Teacher Hope in YouTube.